Wow. Yeah, I guess when you see this sitting behind my videos or cooking with it, you can see it's a tad dirty. I thought it was just supposed to be that way. Oh crap, look at that. So, let me turn this around and I'll tell you about this. It's Papa, Texas. So Booger comes on and she makes a video showing how to clean that. I thought it was just getting nice patina on it. I've got to figure out, and I don't know if I can make a video of this or not, but I've got to figure out how I'm going to clean it. I wish the lid came off. So as you see, I've propped it up, and we're going to work on this baby right here. I do not know what this white push button, I don't know what they do. I googled it and it didn't come up. Alright, there's our focus right there. I got a couple things here. This brush, I've never used it. Scraper designed to clean between ridges of your cast iron. Good grips OXO cast iron pan brush with scraper. I'll add this to my Amazon store. There we go. And see, it's got these little brushes on it. It's got this little scraper here, little handle. So I'm going to dip it in some water. Why can't I just take those screws off and take that off? Well, heck yeah. Bird's probably out there going, no, Papa, don't do that. Let's see, is it loosen it? No. Don't want to lose a screw. Done that many times. Look at that, it comes off. This is fantastic, y'all. If I only knew what that button was for. Oh, this is fantastic. Look at that. 4 screws, and I'm not screwed. Yeah. This makes it a lot simpler. I'm going to go get this cleaned off, and I'll be right back so we can finish cleaning the rest of it. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. You know you like Papa. Hit that bell. I'll be back. Alright, so I just text Booger. She said to push these buttons in at the same time and something's going to come out. Huh. They go in more? Yeah, our text says it'll release the lid. Sorry about the video. Oh, check it out. This is making it easier and easier, y'all. Oh, Booger, you're awesome. Alright, this is getting easier and easier. That's how you clean it. You know, I'm going to make a video after it gets dirty next time and I act like I just know what I'm doing. Yeah. Be right back. Check that out. Look how clean that got. And the top. You can see through it again. I get to see my food. Well, folks, that's what I have for you today. I just learned, and that is what is so cool about being connected with other YouTubers. And it's almost like I got a variety of channels I'm connected to. There's always somebody I can go to and get an answer. I really appreciate it. I do appreciate the ones that sometimes I'm just watching someone's video that I'm not connected to, and I do ask them a question, and they answer me. They answer my question. I love that, don't you? Well, hit that bell. You're welcome to subscribe. Not sure which channel this is going out on. It's either going out on my air fryer channel or it's going out on my main Papa Texas. But at the end, there'll be a connection to both of them. There's going to be a playlist for air fryer cooking. It's not just me. This is kind of on the new side, but I'm adding other air fryer cooks into it from other YouTube creators. It's Papa Texas. See ya. God bless.